Welcome to this week's lowest and highest listing. Highest and lowest listings is only meant to give you a quick introduction and to maybe highlight some things that may not be overly apparent in the actual listing. It covers areas of Milford, Howell, Brighton, South Lyon, Commerce, and Highland. Let's start with 1420 GREBE Road. 1420 GREBE Road features 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1650 square feet. It's a split level home, and it's nearby Dunham Lake with lake privileges. It's also less than 2 miles from Dunham Hills Golf Course. It's in a very quiet and lovely, well-established neighborhood. It's the perfect house for either a rental or a first-time home buyer who doesn't mind a little updating. If you'd like to schedule a showing with me, I'll leave a link for this listing in the description below.
Okay, so we have a nice small living room here. Everything is carpeted. It is split level. Dining area, kitchen with a walkout to a patio backyard. And we're gonna go down this way. And here we have a bedroom. Decent size. Lower level bathroom. Everything looks like it's in good condition. This would make a pretty good rental, I would say. You wouldn't have to do too much other than paint. There's a really nice fireplace here. You could use this as a living room area as well, or family room. Some built-in shelving there. It looks out to the backyard patio. We're going to go take a look at that. The sliding glass doors have the inlaid blinds in through the glass, which is really nice. Okay, this is a really pretty backyard patio they've got here. It looks like it's in very good condition. It's a nice yard. Okay, and finally, this is one of the most luxurious homes that you'll see in Milford. There are plenty of them, but in accordance with our video today, this is the highest price home for the week. It is at $2,349,000, located in Milford, and features 6 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, over 8,100 square feet, and sits on beautiful private 3 acres of land. So let's go in and take a very quick little peek. As you would expect, this home just eludes luxury. The wrought iron railing here on a curved staircase here in the foyer, marble tiles, hardwood floors throughout, very large, spacious ceilings, just what you would expect a home of this quality and price range. There is a main master bedroom suite right on the main level here. Lovely bathroom, marble floors, beautiful jacuzzi tub, and the kind of shower you would normally see on HGTV with dual shower heads. Office area is right off of the front door in the foyer area, and what I really wanted to show you that you may not appreciate from the listing photos is the beautiful ceiling mural. Okay, the kitchen is very well equipped, plenty of counter space, perfect for entertaining, with a walkout to a raised patio. Dining area, which again leads into the living room area and open foyer floor plan. Here's a quick view of the back patio. Now this is a multi-tiered patio, something that you really don't get from the listing itself. This is the main level off of the kitchen area here. So let's take a quick walk. Driveway has enough for 6 bays.